Instantly, I guess the chain starts instantly, but the motor doesn't. A little bit different. Not bad. This is black locust, as you can see, pretty thick, cutting it really fast. No complaints. So next thing what I'm gonna do is dole it out on a rock on the asphalt. Do not try this at home. I guarantee you this thing is dull, most likely. Okay, let's see how bad it is going to cut now. Safety. So this is what I'm talking about. It's barely cutting now because it's so dull. This is why you do not want to hit a rock or dirt on the ground. You're going to dull out your chainsaw really fast. So now let's start to self-sharpen it. It's perfect that it's getting darker. We might see a lot of spark this way, or a lot more than during the day. Don't forget to turn the safety on. Put it on a logo or something, or a stump. Feel really comfortable so that way you're not going to drop it or fall off. And let's start to run it and pull this up. Do you see all the sparks? I'm pretty sure now it is very sharp. This is actually really cool. The way this chainsaw is set up, that's how it's going to sharpen it. Regular chainsaws, blades will not work like that. This chainsaw blade is completely different compared to the steel one. Okay, now the question is, let's see if it actually sharpened it at all. As you can see, it's definitely sharpened. Let's try this again. Very nice. Look how well it's cutting. I love it. Very nice. I love it. Okay, let's break it apart and see how this thing works. Okay, this how you tighten the chain up and loosen it up. Very nice. And this is how you release it. I think we can take it off. Wow, really nice. I like it. Okay, let's figure it out what it makes it sharpening. Okay, this is the bar. This right here is the sharpening stone, and you press it right here, it's going to touch the chain, and while we're running it, it's going to sharpen it up. Super easy. Okay, I'll put it back together. By the way, make sure the chainsaw unplugged. Super obvious, right? You see where the chain is? As soon as I press it, it's going to touch the blade and sharpen it up. But anyways, okay, then you can put it. You can put the lid back on and screw it back on and adjust the blade right here. You see how it's too loose, so you can make it much tighter, but not too tight. Something like that. That's good. And then tight all the way. There you go. I'm happy with that. Very interesting design. Definitely a huge thumbs up for me. Next I'm gonna do a little competition. Original chain, DeWalt chainsaw, very powerful, I love it. And Oregon new self-sharpening chains. Let's see if this new chain actually makes it a big difference. Is it faster or much slower? Let's find out. Okay, let's see what happens. Stay down shot. Now let's see how this one does. Pretty much same speed, isn't it? I don't see much big of a difference. Okay, I'm gonna try to do as fast as possible. Very nice. Now let's see how fast this one goes. And this one stayed up shot. What do you guys think? Pretty much same speed? Honestly, did not notice much difference at all. They both really fast. I love electric chainsaws.